Welcome to Skype. Skype belongs to Microsoft. To use Skype on a laptop or a computer, you need to go to skype.com. The first thing you need to do is sign up for Skype. This can be found in the top right hand corner under Sign Up. This will then take you through various windows where you need to add in your phone number, email address and a password. Once you're signed up on Skype, it will open a window. You can continue on your web browser or open it on an app. If you continue on your browser, the window will look like this. On the left-hand side, you have chats, calls, contacts and notifications. Calls just basically means all the calls you've just made. Contacts are all of your friends and family that you speak to on Skype. And notifications is any other messages that have come into Skype that you can reply to. If I wanted to make a new call, I'd go into my contacts, choose the person you'd like to speak to, and then either press the video call, the voice call, or you could add other people into the conversation by creating a new group. You can simply send them a message as well on the chat feature at the bottom. Type it in and press enter on your keyboard. You can also send them a photograph. You can send them a voice message. And you can also send them contacts from your Skype account to them. There's other options in there as well if you wanted to share Spotify's, create a poll together, etc. If you wanted to add people into the group, it will open all your contacts, choose who you'd like by putting the blue tick on and pressing done. That will then create a new chat for those people in that group, and then you can either video call them or voice call them. If you would like information on your Skype profile, press on your name in the top left hand corner and then press Skype profile. Your Skype name will then appear in here. This will be needed if anyone is looking for you on Skype. If you press on New Chat, this is also given the options for who you want to chat to, and it'll bring up your contacts, and you can do a group chat this way too. To add a new contact, select Contacts, then New Contact. In here you can find people through email, phone number or through their specific Skype name. When you've found them, press Add. They will then get a notification at their end to then accept. When they have accepted your friend request, they will then appear in your contact list. They will then be readily available to then video or voice call. To sign out of Skype, if you press on your name in the top left hand corner and press Sign Out. Skype on a tablet or an iPad appears very similar to what it does on a web browser. You will find chats, calls, contacts and notifications on the bottom left instead of the top left. To add a contact, you need to select Contacts on the bottom left, and then on the top left you will see there's a person with a plus. Press on this and then add your contact. Once you are ready to sign out of Skype, if you press on the initials of your name at the top of the left hand screen and press Sign Out.